So here is how to make mochi and fried mochi. How to make mochi. Step 1. Add all of these into a bowl. 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 1/2 cup of sugar if you like it lightly sweet. If you like it really sweet, then add in 1 cup of sugar instead. If you want to make flavored mochi, then add things like cocoa powder or fruit juice instead of water into the mix. Step 2. Pour in 1 cup of boiling water. Make sure it's boiling so it kind of cooks the flour. Step 3. Mix everything until it's smooth and blended. Step 4. Steam for 20 minutes on medium-low. Step 5. Shift some potato starch onto a tray or plate, which helps keep the mochi dry on the outside. Step 6. Scoop out the steamed mochi onto the tray. Step 7. Shift some potato starch on top of the mochi too. Step 8. Cover the whole thing with saran wrap. Step 9. Use a wooden rolling pin to flatten out the mochi. Finally, Step 10. Cut the mochi into cubes or whatever shape you want and dust all the edges so that they won't stick to each other. And that's it. Done. Yummy, delicious, chewy, sweet, soft mochi. Once you're done making mochi, you can store them in a jar and it's good for a few days unrefrigerated. Or you can put them in the refrigerator and in microwave to make a little soft for eating. You can eat them just like that or make fried mochi, which tastes even better. So now I'm going to show you how to fry mochi. So I made some mochi a couple days ago and now I'm going to fry it to taste even better. You can eat it like this or you can fry it and make it taste better. Why I think it tastes better is because it has a crunchy outside and a very soft inside. So put some oil in. So turn on high for a little bit, and then after it's tiny bit bubbling, you can turn it down a little bit to 6. And then you can start frying them. Okay, so it's pretty good. I think I'm gonna add some in. It scared me. Yeah, I got hit. Like right here. Luckily it didn't hit my eye though. I just got attacked. It just flew up and almost hit my eye, which it didn't. Oh, I think it didn't actually hit my eye, but yeah. So I just put it a little further away. I wonder why it's bubbling that much. Make it nice and golden like a marshmallow campfire. Keep them away from each other because they could stick if you make them close. 15 or 20 or 10. Around those numbers, you can maybe flip it around. Yeah, I think that's good. It is chocolate, so it already looks, so it might look burned, but that's actually perfectly cooked. Flip the next one. So when it's done, you'll also realize it's starting to get poofy, and that's when you know it's done. A little bigger than usual. Yeah, that's done. I made 6. I made 6 of them. So wait a little bit for them to cool down, and then you can start eating it. Just take a bite, and it is so deliciously good. It's crunchy on the outside, and on the inside it's really soft, as you see right there. And I pretty much perfectly fried it. It tastes really good. Perfect temperature right now. And I think it's really good because it only takes like 10 or 15 or 20 seconds to make. And is really quick to make anytime. Sorry, I'm making fried mochi and I almost got sprayed in the eye earlier, so I'm putting on protection with some gloves because I really don't want to get sprayed again. So good. Crunchy outside and soft inside. I don't know, think about it. The inside kind of looks gooey. The inside looks gooey.